Hey guys, so we are in the peak of honey season at the moment where the nectar flow is quite high. So I would like to see actually what you guys bring up. How do you harvest your honey? What ideas do you have? The next video that I will be showing you is actually a DIY honey harvesting tool or spinner, if you would like to call it, where they've actually created it out of a steel drum, and they've actually made their own swinger out of it. Have a look at it, let me know what you guys think, and I would like to see in the comments below what ideas you guys have and what your setup is. Please guys, comment below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button.